Right then, Ben, this is the first paper I've had the opportunity to mark for you so far this term, so let's see how you do. Litres, kilometres and kilograms are fine. You've written yards there. Yards isn't metric. What they're looking for is metres. Yards is imperial, feet and inches. So 3 correct there. That's good. So 11 for that first page. Cylinder and pentagon are correct. This is known as a triangular prism. Triangle because its face is triangular, and it's a prism because if you repeatedly cut it, every slice will have the same cutting face. So that's called a prism. So triangular prism is what we're looking for there. That's not the circumference. The circumference is the distance all the way around the outside of the circle. So it's like perimeter. This is called a chord. Area, no. Area is how much space is covered. That is called a tangent. Okay, so chord cuts the circle, tangent touches the circle. So 1 mark there. Lines of symmetry on this shape, so that would be where you could place a mirror and it would reflect exactly. So on that one there would be 2 lines of symmetry, which would be diagonal. With this one there's only 1 line of symmetry, which is vertically through the center of the shape. So 3 marks there. For this one, 6 out of 15 is correct, but it hasn't fully answered the question because it's not in its simplest form. Because both of those numbers we can divide by 3, we can cancel that down to 2/5, which would then be in its simplest form. 5 for that page. 8 is correct. 12 isn't. It's 11. 7 add 4. 12 and 4 is correct there. Times by 4. T isn't 48. What you've got is 75 take away 6 times 8, which is 48, which gives you an answer of 27. So 1 mark there. Can I give you a mark for the 48? Let me just check. No. Take a look at how I explain these. There's something that we will practice, but I'm sure you understand my explanation. And the same for that one. 4, 6, 8, 9 for the page. That's correct. And that's correct. And for this one, so you've got 35, 45, 59, 59, 62, 73, 79, 80. There are 2 middle values. Okay, so when there are 2 middle values, you have to go halfway between. Now 61 isn't halfway between. 60 and a half is halfway between. But you'll get 1 mark for correctly ordering. 4 there, so 9 for that page. That's a good one. Have a look at my solution, video solution for that. That is 150. So Andrew gets 69 out of 150 votes. You then times that by 100 to get the percentage. 258 is correct. That one's right. That one's right. You can keep that line going. Doesn't matter. 4 for that page. 107 is correct. Well done. 58.42. That's excellent. Not many people get marks on that. Have a look at my video clip for that because it's a bit harder, but having come from the higher tier, you should be able to get your head around it, and the same with that. The oldest chair isn't 50. The oldest chair is 80 and is worth 40. There's no correlation, but you need to tell me why. So you can't get a mark without explaining why. Your points are in the right place, so 2 for that. That's not right. So again, with these last questions, have a look how I work through those on the video clip. Alright then, Ben, so you're looking for 61 marks to be sure of a C. I don't think you've done that much, but let's see how far off you get. 11, 15, 20, 29, 38, 42, 46, 55, 57. You're pretty close. So that's a D. You are 4 marks from a C, and those 4 marks, you know, you dropped quite early on. There's an easy one there for metric, learning what the names of these shapes are, symmetry. So it's there's enough that you can quickly put right on the easier parts of the question that you certainly get that grade C. So first paper I've marked, I'm encouraged with that, Ben.